really bad. This is what I'm tackling. I'm gonna get the passenger door done, and that'd be 2 doors. Well, 3 doors that are finished. So back with you shortly. Really bad. So far this is what I've done. I've made a rounded piece. I've slit in there and it's all level. I'm just going to weld that, and then afterwards I've got to repair it here, make a new bottom lip, new side lip, and then replace the whole fixed section of the bottom with the lip. So that's what I'll do. I'll go around, I've got to repair that, all in there. I'll be back when I've done some more. Get in there. This lip here, I've made the exact thing. That's going to be cut into there. It's going to go to there, and then obviously the sides have got to join up on it. And I'll be back with you when I've done some more. And then I'm going to repair this one length. So far, I'll be back when I've done some more. This is really hard work. Well, the end of the door's repaired. All that. I've just been grinding that with a finger sander. I've got a little hole there to repair. A couple more spot welds, a bit of welds to go in there. I've welded up to here. And I'm just cleaning all that up. Just grinding that there. Grinding this on there. All this is made. So all that is done. Now I've just got to continue making the rest of it. I've got to do a little repair here. I'm going to put a little plate in it and cut this out and put a little plate in, minus the hole for the door cards. So I've got another end to do, which will be butted up to this, and then it'll continue on down. Awesome. So yeah, that's a day's work. All in there's nice. I want to put a bit of fiberglass filler in. It looks fantastic. Yep, back with you soon. That's the passenger door. After this I'll have 1 door left, rear passenger. Okay, back shortly. Hi everyone, it's all grinded flat now. Here's my flat disc. That's done. Grinded all that flat. Grinded all that flat. And I've made all of this right down to the bottom corner. And this is the lip that the door attaches to. It's got the little edge here that the door tucks over, door skin. So all I've got to do on this door now is the door skin. All nice and smooth, ready for some fiberglass. Obviously that won't be done until the front section's made. So yeah, I'll be back with you shortly. So that's the whole bottom of the door repaired. Even in there, it's indented in like it's meant to be. Really thin. See. One thing I've got to put the I don't want to lose these. That's where my hinge goes, and it's why it's so flat here. But I actually welded that through the bracket here as well. for extra strength. And now I've just got to start making the front skin. These little bits I'll do after in a minute. So yeah, back to you shortly. Looking good. Back shortly. All built. The only thing I've got to do now is build the top. That's it. I've already marked up the metal already, but I can't grind and cut it this time of night. So I want to show you the under driver's bit, that passenger bit. So I'll be back with you shortly. So this is what I wanted to show you. All in there. It's been treated and stone chipped. All done. I've just got to finish this little bit behind there and whatnot. Put a little bit more metal in here, but I'm going to leave a little gap in there for the water to drip through. But yeah, there she is, and that's what I wanted to show you. And I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. In the next video I'll be showing you the finished passenger door, and then on to the next. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe.